Hey there guys, welcome to another video. So in today's video, I'm going to finally answer the question so many of you have been asking, does it work with MagSafe? So before we go on, let's go ahead and unbox it and see what we get. So this right here is the MagSafe charger. We have a picture of it on the front, Apple logo, MagSafe charger. On the side, we get some details about its compatibility. We get nothing on the other side, nothing on the top. On the back here, tells you it is the MagSafe charger in different languages, shows you the charger itself, and then shows you the adapter that does not come with it, and it says it is USB-C. And of course, it is $39 freaking dollars, so it's not cheap. Anyway, let's go ahead and unbox it. Okay, pull it out here. We get designed by Apple in California right there. And then opening it up here, we get the MagSafe charger itself wrapped up along with safety and handling. Okay, fun stuff. Does it come with a sticker? Do we get a sticker? Maybe it'll make up for that $40 price tag if it has a sticker in it. Warranty summary, regulatory compliance, no sticker. So what I have here in front of me are a couple of different cases from a couple different manufacturers, and what I want to do is test each of these with MagSafe and see if they work or see if they don't. So what I have in front of me are, I do have two cases here from Beancase, and these are going to be reviewed pretty soon here. I have one from Clayco. This one actually didn't work with the wireless charging, but I figure why not, we'll try it. This one is from Caseology. This one here is from Casetify. This one is from Rinky. This one is from Nomad, this one is from Schnell, and this one is from Caseku. So, and I do also have one from EvuTech I'll be testing also. So first we'll show the MagSafe charger attached to the phone itself. So, bam. Just like so. Works just fine. Holds the phone actually. I'm a little worried about doing this. But let's go ahead and test it on some cases. Alright, so the first one we're going to try here is the EvuTech, and this one already has magnets in it, so let's see how well this works. So it looks like it does recognize on the charger here, and not the best, it doesn't adhere really well, but still works. So this one here is by Caseku, and this is a thin minimalist case here, so this one is very thin, so it should adhere pretty well, so let's check it out. Ooh. Alright, does it recognize on the charger? Just fine. So I think this is going to be a common theme here where it doesn't quite stay as well with one of these cases. Next up, one of the most commonly asked cases is the Casetify case. So this is the Pro Impact case. And here is our charger. Bam. Just fine there. Ooh. So yes, it works. Yes, it'll charge, but not the best adhesions. Alright, here is the Nomad case. So this one should probably do just fine. Yep. So again, not the best adhesion, but it still will find its spot. Here's another clear case by Rinky. That one adheres just fine. Recognizes on the charger. However, again, just not going to be very well adhered. This one here is a liquid sand case from Bing Cases. There it goes. Recognizes just fine. And this one is going to have less adhesion because it is a much thicker case. But it still works. This is the Nanopop case from Caseology. This is a silicone case. As you can see, works just fine. This one actually seems to adhere a little bit better than the others, so that's pretty good. This one here is the Argos, and this is by Clayco. This is a wallet case, and it has cards in here, so it probably won't work. It did fail the wireless charging test when I did try it earlier, and I'll try it anyway. I feel a slight bit of magnetism. Will it actually recognize on the charger? I don't think it will. Yeah, so if you get a wallet case, you're probably not going to want to use MagSafe. This right here is a wallet case by Schnell, and they have 3 different styles of this one. This one did not pass the wireless charging test last time, so I'll see if it actually works this time. And as you can see, There's a little bit of magnetism, and it actually started vibrating. Let's see, did it actually? Okay, it may have recognized for a minute there, but I did have issues with this one with wireless charging. So again, wallet cases, probably not going to work with MagSafe. I'll try here is one by Bing Cases. This is actually probably one of my favorite ones. It's little kitty cats. But again, this is very similar to the Casetify style here. This one, as you can see, works just fine, recognizes on the charger. However, again, it's not going to have, well, actually adheres pretty well. That one actually has a decent amount of adhesion. Alright guys, so there you have it. So this is just a quick test of the MagSafe charger with a couple of different cases to see how well it works. So, what is the verdict here? It works okay. But, if you want the full extent of how the MagSafe charger is supposed to work, you need to get one of the Apple cases that is available with the magnets in the back to get the full, MagSafe experience. Now, the one that was surprisingly, that worked the best out of these was this Nanopop silicone case. This actually had the best magnetic adhesion that I could see when I was testing these, so that was kind of surprising. So if you buy a regular old silicone case, you probably will have the best experience with MagSafe if you don't want to buy the Apple case. If you want to use MagSafe, you probably shouldn't use a wallet case like this or like this. Not that they're bad, it's just that they're thick. And then you also have cards in the way and stuff in the way, and it just doesn't work. The other cases I'd recommend, obviously, are these kind of thin plastic cases. Seems to work okay with those. But then again, it did scratch this one. So that's another thing to be kind of wary of. It may scratch your case if you use this because, of course, it has aluminum on the charger itself. So just a couple things to be aware of. Anyway, guys, hope you enjoyed this quick test with these cases. If you have any questions, feel free to let me know in the comments. I've gotten quite a few about this MagSafe charger, and yes, I finally bought one. But if you guys have any questions, feel free to let me know in the comments below. Anyway, guys, hope you enjoyed this quick video on the MagSafe charger. If you did like the video, hit that like button. If you want to see more like this, consider subscribing, and I'll see you guys in the next video.